it to the next level.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a New Year's Eve, New Year's Day makeup tutorial. I know we're not going out this New Year's because of COVID, but I just thought I would film this makeup look for New Year's. I think it's just so beautiful. It's a classic New Year's look. I'm even wearing a glittery top to be festive with the New Year's. I just want to wish you guys a happy New Year. I hope you have a great 2021. And let's see how it goes. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Happy New Year's. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my Colourpop X Kathleenlights Dream Street palette. I haven't used this palette in forever, but I'm going to take that kind of beigey brown shade, kind of like the sand color, and just start off with that shade just to apply as a transition and just a base for all the colors to blend together. Now I'm going to go in with this orangey shade, and I'm kind of going to apply this with a fluffy brush just to kind of apply it everywhere. I'm not being really precise with this shade, although I am kind of going into my crease with it, but I'm also applying it above my crease area as well. So I guess this also serves as a transition shade, but I'm just, applying that orange because it's going to tie the look together. You guys will see. Now I'm taking my Dose of Colors Snow Angels palette. I don't know if they make this palette anymore, but I'm going to take the navy blue shade and I'm going to apply that directly into my crease. I would open it and show you guys, but one of the shades in the palette is broken, and if I open it, all of the color will like shatter everywhere. So I'm taking that navy blue shade that's in that palette and I'm going to apply that directly into my crease. And I did this so that way when I go in with the black, you guys will see it kind of can blend and be more gradient as opposed to just black and then orange. And now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black and I'm going to apply that all over just my lid area, and I'm going to use a flat brush to blend it in, and this is what's going to give me that smoky look because we're going to go on top of it with some glitter, and I feel like this black crayon, it just is really going to act as a base for that smoky eye look, and you guys are going to see how it all ties together. And now I'm going to take this beautiful metallic-y teal shade from the Colourpop X Kathleenlights palette, Dream Street, and I'm going to apply this to my lid area on top of that black. And this is not my glitter yet, but I'm just applying this because I kind of wanted to have a pop of blue in there and the smoky eye, so I'm just taking that and applying it to my lid area on top of the black. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. glitter things, like I forgot what these are called, but I'm taking that silvery shade, that silver glitter shade, and I'm going to apply this on top of the teal. Now the only thing that this did do, because it's wet, it kind of took off the eyeshadow that was on the bottom, so I think next time going in I would put it on the brush and just pat it in, because it did kind of smear off the shadow that was underneath it. So if you're using this on top of a shadow, just be careful because it can smear it off. So I did have to go back and fix it and take a brush and reapply some shadow just to fix everything. Here I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and just going back in to blend any harsh lines that I may have and just blend all the shadows together. And I took my other brush and I added some more navy blue, but I think I got rid of the orange a little bit and I kind of wanted more orange to peek out, so I just went back and forth and just blended some shades together. And I took my Urban Decay Optical Illusion face primer to prime my face with. Now this primer does leave kind of a white residue, but I'm going to take my Nars Soft Matte Foundation in Macoa. I'm just going to take a brush and apply this. Then I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Illuminating Concealer and just highlight that. And to set all that, I'm taking my Beauty Bakerie Flower Setting Powder and just setting everywhere that I applied concealer. So this is a really full glam look. I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder to set the rest of my face. And I have mine in the darker shade. I believe it's Deep 4. And I'm just going to use that with a big fluffy brush and just apply everywhere just to set my whole face. So I really wanted to contour. So I took the contour shade in my Beauty Black Radiance, like a sculpting palette, and this contour was very gray on me, so I think I should have went with a lighter hand. I kind of went with a lot on the brush, so I took too much and it just didn't look good. So I'm going to try again with this palette because I love the sculpting shade in the middle, but I really wanted to contour because it's a full glam look, but I contoured too much. So I think next time I'll just go in with a lighter hand. Just be careful because this is very, very, very pigmented. So just make sure you put very little contour. I'm taking one of my favorite blushes of all time, the Tower 28 blush, and I'm just applying very little to the tops of my cheeks because this look is so full glam. I don't want to go heavy with my blush. I run like just a little bit wash of color. And for highlight, I'm taking my Artist Couture highlight. I love this highlighter so much, and I'm just applying some glow to my face. And to melt all of that together, I'm taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist just to melt all of that together. So I'm going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara because I'm going to put in and I'm applying my Ardell Wispies that I got at TJ Maxx. I got 4 pairs for $7.99. Good price. So I'm going to apply my Ardell Wispies. I used the Duo Glue, and it was horrible. So don't buy the Duo Glue because it would not stick my lashes. Off camera, I applied a wing and I applied my lashes, and I took the orange shade and the dark brown shade from the Dream Street palette, and I just smudged my lower lash line. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm taking this beautiful reflective silvery color and applying in my inner corners. To line my lips, I'm taking this NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade, I believe this is Cold Brew, and it's a really beautiful deep brown shade. I'm doing a nude lip, but I wanted to do like a deep brown lip liner. And I'm taking this Wet n Wild lipstick, and I believe this is called Never Nude, and I'm just applying that in the center of my lips. And then I'm going over top everything with this nude gloss from Iconic and just pull the look together. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year's to you and your family. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.